If you've been seeing ads for Puribreeze everywhere, you're probably asking the same question I did. Is it actually worth buying? Or is it just another overhyped gadget? I spent some time looking into the product and reading real customer experiences. Here's what I found. Puribreeze is marketed as a produce cleaner. It claims to help remove dirt, pesticides, and other unwanted residue from fruits and vegetables using a simple cleaning process. The idea sounds great, especially if you're trying to eat healthier. The device itself is compact and easy to use. Just place it in water with your produce and let it run. That's about it. But here's where things get interesting. Customer feedback is very mixed. Some buyers say the ordering process was simple and that the product arrived as expected. Others liked the idea and found it convenient for everyday use. On the other hand, there are also plenty of negative reviews. Some customers complained about long shipping times. Others said they received unexpected add-on charges during checkout or had difficulty getting refunds. A few users also questioned whether the cleaner made any noticeable difference compared to simply washing produce with water. That doesn't automatically make Puribreeze a scam. The company does appear to deliver products and responds publicly to many customer complaints. However, the number of refund and shipping complaints means you should be careful before placing an order. Another thing to remember is that some of the product's cleaning claims are based on the company's own marketing. Independent testing that fully verifies those claims is limited, so it's best not to expect miracles. So, what's my final verdict? I wouldn't call Puribreeze an outright scam, but I also wouldn't rush to buy it without doing more research. If you decide to order, pay close attention during checkout. Double-check your total before paying. Read the return policy carefully. And if possible, use a payment method that offers buyer protection.